Have you ever thought about how life changes significantly after you say your vows, maybe with new careers, growing families, or unexpected financial turns? It is a natural part of any long-term commitment, and sometimes, those changes bring new financial considerations into focus. This is where a postnuptial agreement can become a really helpful tool. Yes, a postnuptial agreement can absolutely minimize costly legal battles, especially if your marriage unfortunately ends in divorce. By clearly defining how assets and debts will be divided and how spousal support might be handled while you are both thinking calmly and cooperatively, you can avoid many of the disputes that drive up legal costs in the future. The core reason a postnuptial agreement works to prevent future conflict is that it establishes clear financial expectations and divisions in advance, essentially putting an agreement in place when you are not under the stress of a separation. Without this document, state laws, which can be complex and vary greatly, would dictate the division of your marital property. These laws do not always align with what you and your spouse might consider fair, or what you would have agreed upon if given the choice. A postnuptial agreement allows you both to override these default state laws and create terms that are specific to your unique situation and preferences. To create an effective postnuptial agreement, it is crucial that both spouses have full financial disclosure, meaning everyone involved knows all the assets and liabilities. Each person should also have independent legal representation, ensuring that their individual interests are protected and that the agreement is fair and enforceable. This process helps to prevent claims of coercion or unfairness down the road, which could otherwise invalidate the agreement. One interesting detail about postnuptial agreements is their rising popularity, especially as more couples marry later in life, often bringing substantial assets, existing businesses, or children from previous relationships into the marriage. This makes the need for clear financial planning even more pronounced. Also, jurisdictions generally requiring postnuptial agreements to be in writing, signed by both parties, and notarized, further reinforcing their legal standing and making them difficult to challenge successfully if properly executed. Ultimately, a well-drafted postnuptial agreement acts as a proactive step in financial planning, fostering open communication and reducing uncertainty. It provides a personalized framework for your financial future, giving both partners peace of mind and potentially saving significant time, emotional strain, and money should unforeseen circumstances lead to a marital dissolution.